Hey, look what I got. I got another motor for you. I know, it's a boring channel. How did I get this motor? Well, I got this motor for free. I was looking for a small motor, just to use as a kicker for the bigger boat that I got, but I found this guy on Craigslist. Actually, the guy was selling 150 horse something, and he says he'll throw in this Mercury 15 for free. He didn't know anything about it. Came with his boat. Well, come to find out, this is one of those old Mariners made by Yamaha. I picked it up. I got it in pieces. The lower case was missing. Water pump was out. Shit. Only the housing was there. The pump and the keyway, everything was missing. The motor was seized. It took me a couple hours. Ended up taking the head off. Cost me a head gasket. eBay. I found one for 14 bucks delivered from South Carolina somewhere. And the water pump kit was another 15 bucks. So a couple hours of my time. One thing I noticed is if you look at the pictures of the Yamaha Enduros, you'll notice they look very similar to this Mariner. And the reason why is it's a wasted spark system, which means both coils fire at the same time. That's probably why the Enduros are, kind of bulletproof. Single coil, one coil to fail. Anyway, took this thing apart. Carb was, oh my gosh, pretty bad. Cleaned everything, just a head gasket and water pump. She does pretty good. Let's see if I can hold it and start it. Oops, switch. She's the two-stroke. I'm not used to two-strokes anyway. Fixed it up. I've got a buddy of mine. He's looking at picking up a small inflatable. If he picks up the inflatable, I told him I'll give him the motor. Otherwise, I'll turn around and try and sell it next year for 500 bucks. Go towards the boat fund. Anywho, enjoy.